Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's clamp mirrors for your tube style doors. Step 1. With your doors installed, place the two halves of the mirror bracket over the tube with two of the included bolts. Loosely secure the mirror to the tube. Step 2. Sit inside your vehicle and adjust and move the mirror to your preference. Step 3. With a 4mm Allen key, tighten the bolts down. With an 8mm wrench, tighten the hex nut to secure the mirror rotation. Repeat on the opposite side. Once all your hardware has been secured, then it's time to head out and enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road clamp mirrors.